Good day, everyone. Welcome to Camglish.com. This is Teacher Jara, and I will be with you as we deal with the preview of another fun and flashy English passage. So, what are we waiting for? Let's all together study the book English Reading Basic 1. Today, we will tackle Unit 12. And the title of our article is Mantle. Let's discover what is inside the earth. So, let's all read the article. But first, I will read it slowly so you can be familiar with how the words should be pronounced. And after that, you can join me as I read it for the second time. So listen carefully. I will start now. We are living on the surface of the earth. So what is inside the earth? There is a mantle under the surface of the earth. The mantle takes up 84% of the earth. It is a rocky layer and it covers the core of the earth. The mantle near the surface is like a bunch of hard rocks, but the mantle near the core is boiling liquid rocks. When a volcano erupts, this boiling mantle comes out. Also, the mantle heats up underground water. Thanks to the mantle, we can enjoy a hot spa. Okay. So let's read it for the second time. But let's make it faster. Be ready now. Let's begin. We are living on the surface of the earth. So what is inside the earth? There is a mantle under the surface of the earth. The mantle takes up 84% of the earth. It is a rocky layer and it covers the core of the earth. The mantle near the surface is like a bunch of hard rocks, but the mantle near the core is boiling liquid rocks. When a volcano erupts, this boiling mantle comes out. Also, the mantle heats up underground water. Thanks to the mantle, we can enjoy a hot spa. Okay, so I hope you got the words correctly. And if you have time, you can go back to this article and practice your reading ability. Now let's deal with some exercises related to this topic. For our first activity, we have select true or false. Here you need to identify which sentence is true and which one is false. So let's have it now. For number 1, the mantle is a rocky layer. Is this sentence true or false? The right answer is true. Let's have the proof in the passage. Let's all read the sentence. It is a rocky layer and it covers the core of the earth. So we are right. Sentence number 1 is true. Now let's move on to number 2. The mantle near the core is boiling liquid rocks. Is it true or is it false? The right answer for this number is true. So, let's have the sentence in the passage which will support our answer. Here's the sentence. The mantle near the core is boiling liquid rocks. So we got the correct answer for number 2. Now let's move on to number 3. The mantle cools down underground water. Is it true or is it false? sentence number 3 is false. So let's check what word made it false. Now, let's have the sentence. Mantle heats up underground water. So remember, it heats up, not cools down, okay? So the word that made sentence number 3 false is the word cools down. I hope you got all the correct answers. Now let's have the word box. This word box contains 8 words that will help you broaden your vocabulary. So, let's add this word in your list. Here you will learn the correct pronunciation of the word and its Korean meaning. So, please repeat after me. Earth, mantle, layer, core, rock, boiling, liquid, and the last one, spa. So, if you have time, you can make sentences for these words. Now let's have our last activity. Here we have vocabulary checkup. Here, we will check the level of your understanding about the passage. You need to complete 4 sentences to have the complete thought. You can choose your answers from this box. So let's have number 1. A pie has many blank. What do you think is the missing word? Good job! The right answer is layer. A pie has many layers. Now let's proceed to number 2. She pours blank into a glass. What do you think is the right word for this sentence? Great job! The missing word is liquid. She pours liquid into a glass. Now let's move on to number 3. My mom loves to go to the blank. What do you think is the missing word? Nice job! The answer is spa. My mom loves to go to the spa. And for number 4, the bear is on the blank. What do you think is the right word for this sentence? Perfect! The missing word is rock. The bear is on the rock. I hope you got all the correct answers for this activity. This is the end of our lesson for today. I hope you learned a lot. Again, this is Teacher Jara saying study hard and do good. See you in our next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.